Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and staying safe, and I hope that you are completing your work sincerely every day. So yesterday we started with exercise 2.2 and we did question number 1 to 7. So today we're going to start from question number 8. So let's start. So we did up to question number 7. So the question number 8 is also similar like question numbers your 6 and 7. So but a little difference is there. So we'll read out the question first. The question is that the three consecutive integers. So what are consecutive integers? Yesterday we did in question number 6 also consecutive integers which just comes one after another. So three consecutive numbers we can take any three consecutive, nothing more is given. So we'll take x plus 1 and x plus 2. But what is the other condition given? That the three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Respectively means the 2 will be multiplied by first one, that is x, 3 will be multiplied by x plus 1 and 4 will be multiplied by x plus 2. And when the sum of all this, when we do the sum of all this, that is coming up to 74. Clear? So now we'll start the question. We'll start the answer. So if you see, so we'll take the three numbers, consecutive numbers like x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now according to the question, what? They have to be multiplied respectively by 2, this has to be multiplied by 3, this has to be multiplied by 4. Okay, since this is a single, so it is, we can write directly 2 into x, but this is a, there are two terms, so that has to be written in a bracket. That's why 3 into bracket x plus 1 and this plus 4 multiplied by x plus 2. This is the first thing, this is the second, and this thing. All three will be added up to give 74. So this will be 2x, this will be multiplied 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, 3. 4 into x, 4, 4 into 2, 8 equals to 74. On adding all these things, you will get x, x and this, all three x terms will be added, you will get 9x and this 3 and 8, 11. Now this is 74, 11 will be transposed to that sign, this is plus, so this that side it will be transposed, this is plus sign, so it will come negative on that side. You will get 9x equals to 74 minus 11. On solving this, 63, so x value will be what? 63 by 9, that is 7. Since now again the question is, answer is incomplete, we have to complete the answer by writing all the three consecutive numbers. First one will be x, that is 7 only. Second one will be x plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Then next one will be x plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So numbers are 7, 8 and 9. Clear? Now we'll move on to question number 9. The question number 9 is that the ages of Rahul and Harun, there are two boys, Rahul and Harun, are in a ratio of 5:7. Their ages are in ratio of 5:7. Now 4 years later, okay, 4 years later means after 4 years. The sum of their ages will be 56. Okay, sum of their ages will be 56. So what are their present age? Okay, what are their present age? So how we will proceed to this question? So in the question it is given that the ratio of their ages are what? 5:7. So first of all we'll take the common ratio as x. So the common ratio is x. So then the Rahul's present age will be what? 5x. And Harun's present age will be 7x because it is given in the question 5:7. So 5x and 7. But the next part is given that after 4 years. So after 4 years what? Rahul's age will become what? 5x plus 4 and Harun's age will become 7x plus 4. Then other thing is given in the question is that sum of their ages after 4 years is 56. So after 4 years this is the age of Rahul. Okay. And this is the age of Harun. So we'll add equals to 56. So 5x plus 7x, 12x, 4 plus 4, 8 equals to 56. 8 will be transposed to that side with a minus sign. On solving this, we'll get 12x equals to 56 minus 8, 48. On solving this, 48 by 12, because 12 will come in the denominator, you'll get 4. Now, we have to find out the present ages. Present age of Rahul is 5x. That means 5 into 4, 20. And Harun's present age is 7x. That means 7 into 4, 28. Clear? Now we'll move on to question number 10. Okay, the question number 10. Okay, the number of boys and girls in a class are ratio 7:5. Clear? They are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength? Clear? So we can do this question in two ways. Okay, I am going to explain only one way, but I will give the hint of the second way also. So you will attempt the second way by your own also. Okay, and then tell me that whether you are able to get the answer or not. Okay, you can comment and tell me the answer, that whether you will get the answer by second way or not. So the first way which I am telling is that the number of boys and girls in a class are ratio of 7:5. Okay, and the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Clear? So what is the total strength? So first of all, what we'll do, we'll take let the common ratio between the girls and boys will be x. We are taking the common ratio like in the previous question also. So boys will be what? 7x. We'll take 7x. Girls is 5. So we'll take 5x because it is ratio of boy and girl. First one will be boy, second one is girl. So 7x and 5x. According to the question is that number of boys is what? Number of boys is your 8 more than the number of girls. That means number of boys equals to number of girls plus 8. So number of boys is 7x. Number of girls is your 5x. That will be plus added 8. Clear? On solving this, 5x will go to that side. 7x minus 5x equals to 8. Solving this, you will get 2x equals to 8. X equals to 8 by 2, 4. So number of boys is what? 7x, that is 7 into 4, 28. Number of girls is 5x, 5 into 4, 20. But the question is that find the total strength of the class. So total strength of the class will be addition of these two. That means 28 plus 20, 48. Clear? Understood? Now what was the hint? What is the other way by which we can do this? Suppose I can take boys as x. Okay. Clear? I can take I can take girls as x. Number of girls as x. Clear? Number of girls as x, and number of boys is what? 8 more. So that means this will be x plus 8. Clear? And the ratio of these two, that means ratio of these two, x plus 8 by x. Boys upon girl. Okay? What is the ratio of these two? Ratio of these two is that 7 by 5. Is the ratio given? 7 by 5. On cross multiplication, we'll get the answer of the value of x. Okay? Try to solve this and tell me. Okay? Now we will move on to question number 11. Now, question number 11, Baichung, fathers. Very interesting name, Baichung. So tell me who is Baichung first of all. Whether have you heard this word or not? Baichung. Okay. So question number 11 is that Baichung's fathers is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Okay. And 29 years older than Baichung. So basically there are three persons. One is Baichung, basically a boy, and father, Baichung's fathers, and Baichung's grandfather. Clear? Three persons are there. And what is the question? That Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Means whatever be the age of Baichung's grandfather, what is the age of the Baichung's grandfather? His father will be 26 years younger, means less. But his father is 29 years older than Baichung's. Okay. And then next part is that sum of all the three ages is 135. So what is the age of each one of them? How we can do this? Okay. Let's see. So we'll take Baichung's age as x. Okay. We'll take Baichung's age as x years. Clear? Baichung's age is as x years. Now Baichung's father's age is what? If you read the questions, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than the Baichung's grandfather. And 29 years older than Baichung's, means 29 years more than Baichung's. That means if Baichung is x, Baichung's father's age will be x plus 29. Clear? Baichung's father's age will be x plus 29 because 29 years older than Baichung's. Baichung's grandfather's age. Now Baichung's grandfather's age is what? Because Baichung's grandfather age is what? Baichung's father is 26 years younger than the Baichung's grandfather. Means if we add 26 to the Baichung's father's age, because younger na, so if we add 26 to this, we'll get Baichung's grandfather's age. So same I did. If we add 26 to Baichung's father's age, we'll get Baichung's grandfather's age. That is x plus 29 plus 26. Sum of all three ages is 135, which is given in the question. So we'll write down this first one, Baichung's age, Baichung's father's age, Baichung's grandfather's age. Sum of all three is 135. Clear? Sum of all these three is your 135. So now adding all this x, 3x, 29, 26 is 84 equals to 135. 3x equals to 135 minus 84. Solving this, we'll get 3x equals to 51. Subtraction of this is coming 51. 3 will go in the denominator. 51 by 3, that is 17 years. Now 17 years. 17 years is x. So x is what? Baichung's age. That means Baichung's age is 17 years. Baichung's father's age is what? X plus 29. X plus 29. So that means 17 plus 29, 46 years. Baichung's grandfather's age is what? X plus 29 plus 26. That means 17 plus 29 plus 26. That means 72 years. You can cross check your answer also. If you add 17 plus 46 and 72, it will come 135. The sum of all three ages. Clear? Now we'll move on to question number 12. So question number 12, simple as compared to the previous two questions. 15 years from now means 15 years from now. Now means back. Sorry, 15 years from now means in future. Okay, in future we are 15 years from now. If you are saying 15 years before, then it is back. But it is written 15 years from now means from here. What is after 15 years? From 15 years from now, the Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Means whatever his age is right now, so that his after 15 years his age will be 4 times. Suppose if this time present age is 15 years, so after 15 years it will become 60 because it will be 4 times. So we have to check how answer. So we'll take, let Ravi's present age is x years. Clear? So after 15 years Ravi's age will be x plus 15, because after 15 years later you have to add 15 years from now. 15 years from now. Clear? 15 years from now. So that means x plus 15. But in the question it is given that from 15 years from now, his age will be 4 times his present age. We read the question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That means if this is the age after 15 years, that will be 4 times of the present age. But present age is what? X. So that means x plus 15 equals to 4x. So we'll take this x to that side. 15 equals to 4x minus x. That will come 15 equals to 3x. And this will be your x. X equals to 15 by 3. X is 5. Clear? X is 5. Hence Ravi's present age is your 5 years. Clear? This is a simple question. Easy question. Now we'll move on to question number 13. Now question number 13 is also easy, because this is same like the question number 1. If you see, it is like you subtract 1 by 2 from the number, multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So this question is also of same type. The question is that a rational number is such that, I mean take any rational number which is in the form of p by q, but here we can take x like this. And when you multiply that number by 5 by 2, means if we take suppose x and we multiply x by 5 by 2 and then add 2 by 3, then we add 2 by 3. So the product is minus 7 by 12, means you will get minus 7 by 12, means equals to minus 7 by 12. Clear? So we'll see the answer now. So we'll take let the required number be x. Okay. What we have to do? We have to multiply that number by 5 by 2. We are multiplying by 5 by 2 into x. Then what we have to do? We have to add 2 by 3 to it. So we are adding 2 by 3 to it. And what will you get? You will get minus 7 by 12. So we are getting minus 7 by 12. Now 5 by 2 into x is 5x by 2. This is 2 by 3 as it is, minus 7 by 12. Clear? This 2 by 3 will go to that side. So that means 5x by 2 as it is, minus 7 by 12 as it is, because it is already there. Always write the thing which is already given there first. Then this will go to that side. So minus 2 by 3. 5x by 2 as it is. Now LCM of 12 and 3, 12. 12 divided by 12, 1. 1 multiplied by minus 7, minus 7. 12 divided by 3, 4. So that means 4 has to be multiplied by with the 2. So we are multiplying minus 2 into 4. So this 5x by 2 as it is, minus 7, 2 into 4 will be minus 8, 12. 5x by 2, this will be minus 15 by 12. Now I am taking this 2 to that side. So I am taking 2 to that side, it will come here. Now this 2 and this 12 will cancel out by 6. So 6 will come. This 6 and this 15 will be cancelled out by 3. So 3, 2, because it will come 6, and 3 5, so minus 5. So we'll get what? 5x equals to minus 5 by 2. So 5x equals to minus 5 by 2. Now this 5 will go in the denominator. So minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 5. 5 and minus 5 will cancel, minus 1 by 2. Clear? So final answer is, hence the rational number is minus 1 by 2. You can do this in a single step also. Means like after this, x equals to minus 15 by 12 into reciprocal 2 by 5 in a single step. This on top, this in the bottom. Instead of doing 1 1, you can do these two in a single step also. Clear? Answer will come minus 1 by 2. Clear? Hope you understood this. Now there are 3 questions left. Okay, that we will do tomorrow. Okay, because these the last 3 questions are of the same types. It is based on the denominations of different denominations of the rupees, coins, and then the prices. Okay, these 3 are of the same type. Okay, so till then, complete these questions which we have discussed today. Which questions we have discussed today? We have discussed question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So complete these questions in your register. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.